Law Charitable Trust, Institute for Social Work and Education. Law is a resource for education and knowledge that provides meaningful, multi-leveled social and education services for the benefit of others. Hello, my name is Jim. I'm from the United States and I've been in Dharamsala, India for about 3 months working with the Law Charitable Trust as a volunteer. We're working on a safe drinking water project for Tibetan refugees, in particular refugee children. We have a really high incidence of waterborne disease here in the Dharamsala area, cholera, typhoid, and any number of intestinal diseases amongst young children in particular. So Law has gone into the Tibetan refugee schools and provided point-of-service water filtration units to provide clean and safe drinking water to those vulnerable populations. The initial project identified 9 critical sites. We've installed 7 of those. We have 2 more to go. And then we hope to identify several more locations as additional funding is raised to pay for those filtration units.
I am the principal of this school, and we are privileged to have this filter water system, and this is going to help our students very well.
It's water fresh and it helps our health. It's very useful.
It's useful. They're provided with safe drinking water. It's 24/7. The incidence of disease drops dramatically, so the health issues are dramatically reduced, and of course attendance is greatly increased. So it's just an incredible benefit to the students.
I think all the children use from it.
So the raising the funds is the hard part. The easy part is actually installing the units. It's really fun to bring the equipment to the school, especially if the kids have the day off, because they're all very enthusiastic about helping us install the units. They crawl into the tanks and clean them for us and so on. And they're so grateful, especially the staff, that we're able to bring a level of health to their students. If you'd like to get involved in this life-saving project, you can certainly donate money, have fundraisers at home, or if you find yourself in Dharamsala, pop in and help us install these units. For more information, go to our website, lawsocialwork.org.